summoning the gods of war, Medicina, 12 p.m. a.m. The night before I met and tonight I met Aries, the god of war, Mars. But Athena was the night before that. So Athena and Mars, children of Jove, son of Jove, daughter of Jove, Jupiter, Zeus. And I'm daughter of Zeus too. So we got another triad. I need another triad. I got 2 triads. Well, I have to play 2 triads, female divinity. I need to find another female divinity. 2 more. Triple up, God, Diddy, triad. Triple up, God, Diddy, triad, got the war. War, God, war, goddess. Goddess of the hunt, war, God, war, goddess. Shit's about to go down. Free throw, how? Battle strategy. Battle strategy. Who the enemy? Who the enemy? I feel it coming. Because I'm summoning, manifesting all the gods and goddesses and awakening. And building triads, because I'm a master builder, 33. Yeah. Huh. And the smoke clears. I don't really know right now. Shit about to go down. When is the shit gonna go down? When is the shit gonna hit the fan? Just met goddess of the war, Athena, Minerva, Britannia, Britannia. Is that what it is? Yeah. And then, Mars, Aries, definitely. Just back to back like that, day after the other. Hell yeah. Goddess of the hunt and 2 war goddesses, that's a hell of a trinity. Untouchable. All children of Jupiter, Zeus, Jove. Hell yeah, we found them. I did that. I told them who they were. Odin awakens me, I'm awakening them. Awakening the gods. I'll be finding out who they are. Higher self knows. That's not really the vibe right now. I got the gray horse of the apocalypse. Sure, I'll wait for the Egyptian dump trucks. Pharaohs. What time is it, y'all? Is it fucking time to go to work? Is it like past 5? Because I was on time at 4:44. I don't know what time it is now. Alright, I gotta go retrieve this bike real quick and then go back and hang out with the God of War, Aries, my new best friend. Hell yeah, he's so sweet. Such a gentleman. Brought a candle, a picnic. Motherfucker coming a week before. I never call. Motherfucker heard the call before I called. That's what he did. Following spirit, man. He was visiting the place of our meeting a week before. And I never call anybody. And I called. And he showed up. Nobody ever shows up. Yeah. Okay. So how am I going to carry all this? You're going in my pocket. Oh man, what happened to my music?